This is a 2013 Ford F-150 SuperCrew cab with Ecoboost 6 cylinders, twin turbo, 3.5 liters. The bed is a 6.5 foot bed. It does have a rebuilt title. It can tow up to 11,300 pounds. Oh, sorry. It's a little... There's your truck. It's just a little tall for me. And then this can pull out and give you a step up in. It is the platinum trim package. There are the aluminum alloy rims and the tread on the tires. Let's go inside. It is two-tone leather with black and brown. The seats are in excellent shape. Here is the back row. And then your rear passengers have heated seats. You do have the Sony sound system. I'm gonna go ahead and turn, rocking out to some music here. Okay, and you have dual power seats. This navigation screen is where your backup camera is. There's your climate control. It is equipped with Microsoft Sync. There's your 2 high, 4 high and 4 low controls, your trailer brake. Inside the middle console, you have auxiliary ports as well as a USB port. Then you have a place for pens and your MP3 player or phone. It does have a sunroof. Open that up. There are no caution or warning lights on. Miles are currently 108,859. There's your audio controls, your cruise control, and then power locks and power windows. If you are looking for a truck, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this one out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's roll.